Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix blank white box when printing in a Google Chrome. This is our error. First, we see our error and then solve that error. I press Ctrl P on my keyboard and here we find our error. There is no print preview, only blank white box on our screen. This is our error and I give the multiple solution to fix this error and I hope one of these solution is work for you. So let's go to our video, cancel it, first cancel it and go to the first solution, go to the Google Chrome and at the top we find three dot in a Google Chrome. Click on this three dot, scroll down and find delete browsing data. Click on delete browsing data. It is something like that, basics. From basics, go to the advanced, click on the advanced. In advanced, we find time range. Click at here and go to the all time and check or select this all boxes, include password and other sign-in data. It's remove your password from Google Chrome. Click on the delete data and go to the new tab and go to the Ctrl P and check your problem is solved or not. If your problem is not solved, then I give the next solution. Our next solution is very simple and basic. We are going to update our Google Chrome. If your version is the updated, then your problem is solved. So go to the here and go to the help. In help, we find about Google Chrome. Click on about Google Chrome. And here we find our Google Chrome is up to date. If it's not up to date, then it's automatically goes to the update. It's update your Google Chrome. After that, restart your Google Chrome and close it and restart your Google Chrome and your problem must be solved. So I go to the new tab and here I press Ctrl P and check our problem is solved or not. If your problem is not solved, then I give the next solution. Our next solution is also very simple. Go to this URL and here type Chrome. Here type Chrome :/flags, type this and hit enter key on your keyboard. Here we find many things. In a search, type calculate. And here we find calculate Windows. Here we find it is default. Change it to the disabled. Click on the disabled and click on relaunch. It's asked for the relaunch. Click on the relaunch. Relaunch your Google Chrome and go to the new tab, close it and press Ctrl P and I hope your problem is solved. If your problem is not solved, then I give the another solution. Another solution is incognito mode. Go to the here, right click on your Google Chrome and go to the new incognito and go to the new tab or go to the Google or any site that you want and press Ctrl P. And I hope it may be solve your issue. If it's not solve your issue, then I give the another solution. Next solution is very simple. Go to the Google Chrome. In a Google Chrome, at the top, we find three dot. Click on this three dot. Scroll down and find settings. Click on the settings. In settings, we find here reset settings at the right hand side. Click on reset settings. Here we find restore settings to their original defaults. Click at here. And if you want to reset, then click on reset settings and go to the new tab and press Ctrl P on your keyboard and it solves your problem. Your preview or page preview is now available on Google Chrome. So guys, this is the multiple solution to fix this simple solution in Google Chrome. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.